206, the other prop on the ballot, and it would increase the minimum wage to $10 per hour starting on the first of the year. And then, Steve, it would be up to $12 by 2020.
And it appears Arizona voters want to approve that as well. 60 to 40%. This one appears well on its way to passage here. Obviously, this was a huge Democratic concern as well, and a big concern, especially in places like Pima County and Maricopa County with large numbers of minimum wage workers.
Yeah, it was one we were able to call early. In fact, let's hear from some of the supporters tonight.
Extremely ecstatic. It's been hard work for the last 3 years, really creating a momentum through economic justice and being able to find a way to raise the money to do this initiative. We're ecstatic. Our youth work hard, and we're just so happy that we bearing the fruits of our labor.